The Centerforce 2 organic clutch kit with 8-bolt flywheel and a 10-spline input is an excellent upgrade for 2012 to 2018 3.6-liter Jeep Wrangler JK owners who need improved clutch performance and durability. Whether you're running larger tires, towing, off-roading, or you just want more responsive driving experience, this clutch delivers increased holding capacity and smooth engagement without making that pedal feel too stiff. This clutch kit is designed to provide enhanced holding power and improved durability while maintaining smooth engagement. The dual friction design combines a full face pressure plate side for smooth operation with a segmented, high friction material on the flywheel side for increased grip, making it ideal for Jeeps that see both daily driving and off-road action. The patented Centerforce centrifugal weight system increases clamp load at higher RPMs, ensuring a secure grip on the flywheel without excessive pedal effort. This technology allows for higher torque capacity without sacrificing that drivability. Also, the high-quality friction materials are designed to resist fading, chatter, and premature wear, extending the life of the clutch under those demanding conditions. Built for strength and longevity, this clutch features a precision balanced pressure plate that helps reduce vibrations and ensures smooth operation. The dual friction disc is going to use a combination of organic and carbon composite materials, offering both durability and a strong bite for improved performance. The heat-treating components provide excellent resistance to wear and thermal breakdown, making this clutch ideal for Jeep owners who push their vehicles hard on or off the road. Now, as far as pricing goes on this unit, it's going to come in right at that 1000s price range, which is a premium price that reflects its premium quality and the fact that it's a performance-oriented clutch with a high-quality flywheel. The installation on this is going to be rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in about 2 hours of your time if you know what you're doing. A professional install is going to be recommended if you aren't comfortable with the clutch replacements and you don't have any experience with that drivetrain work. Alright, well that's going to wrap up my review of the Centerforce 2 organic clutch kit with an 8-bolt flywheel and a 10-spline input for the 2012 to 2018 3.6-liter Wrangler JKs. And for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.